everybody. Welcome to day 26. I thought I would take you guys to go do some errands with me. I'm at the bank and then I'm going to go grab some lunch. I am indecisive. I'm going to eat out today though for lunch, and I think I might either get myself a double cheeseburger without the bun, of course, and the ketchup, or I might have a lettuce wrap, and then I thought I would maybe eat with you and visit. So, welcome to Keto-alicious day 26. So ride along with me and let's decide together. I'll take you through maybe the drive-through with me and maybe make a decision on what it is that I'm going to have. I haven't had a hamburger in a long time, so I'm thinking, maybe that would be good. Maybe I will go through McDonald's and get like a double cheeseburger without the ketchup and without the bun, and when I get there, I'll just drive through and I'll just take you with me, because a big question that is asked sometimes is, you don't want to change your life with keto, but you do need to make some good choices. I mean, as far as keto choices. So, part of this everyday video series, beginning keto day by day, has been, real life situations. You've got to cook, everybody's busy, everybody wants to, be able to dine out, be able to make some good decisions. And sometimes our mind is clouded, because we lose thoughts on what we should be eating or what we should be doing. And so I'm in a line right now, so when I get to the end of the line, I will just order, and there's other options too, and I can go through the other options here at McDonald's. And wherever you are, if you just keep the little list with you of all the keto foods that you can have, and just be aware of the condiments. The condiments are a lot of the hidden sugars that, we don't know is in there. And that can really, really put you out of ketosis very quickly. So when I see or hear people talk about, they did everything correctly, but they just, they didn't lose weight. The thing I would maybe say is check all of your products. If you're using any bagged or boxed products, make sure that you're checking any source of hidden sugars, any kind of potato starches, any kind of flours that you're, that were not, that are not keto friendly, because those are the things that'll knock you out faster than anything. And, it's all learning. It's all a process and learning as, I'm learning as I go, and I'm trying to teach as I go as well with all the things that have been working for me. So anyway, it's just, I always, I even just say day by day, but I think it's meal by meal. And I think that if you don't get too hungry, that's the key. If you can keep yourself full of water or liquids, then you can make some really good choices when it is time to eat. I think that we get into some sort of a hunger pattern, and so we get so hungry that's when we make a lot of mistakes. So just try to stay hydrated, stay full, and I know from a lot of experience from me that you will definitely benefit from that. So, yeah, I think I'll take a double cheeseburger with no ketchup, and can you make it without the bun? Maybe just put some lettuce around it, or put it in a little to-go container for me.
Is that everything, hon?
It is.
All right, no problem.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. All right, so there you have it. I ordered a double cheeseburger with no ketchup and no bun. So when I get it, we'll see what it looks like, and this will be my lunch. So I don't eat out very often, but from time to time I do. I am out and about, and so I'm trying to be real about this. In the perfect world, I could eat every meal homemade at home, but really that's not really realistic. And so I know that our world is a fast place. I wanted to say fast paced place. So I'm just trying to be real here today because I have a really busy day, and so I'm going to be doing a lot of running around, but I also want to stay very much on track because I got 2 more days and I'm weighing in. Woo! That will be my 4th weigh-in. I'm almost at the end of my 30 days, guys, and I feel amazing. I feel great. Got my first compliment the other day. Somebody asked me if I did something different with my face because I'm looking younger. Now, does that make me feel good? Oh, absolutely. And I'm not doing this for the compliments. I'm doing this to feel better. So I feel so great. And so far this week, I haven't even wanted to do anything different than keto. So I feel really good about that. So we'll see what happens with my, with my weigh-in. But time will tell, and I couldn't be happier. So I'm really, really thrilled. As far as keto is what I'm saying, what I'm talking about. So all right, so I'm gonna pull over here out of everybody's way, and I grabbed a fork here. So let's see, I'm gonna eat in the car because I have some other errands that I need to run, and so it's easier to do that and to visit with you guys as well than to go home and have to eat. All right, so this is the little thing they gave to me, which is nice. I asked for without the bun. Now I could order it with the bun and take it off, and that's fine too, but I wanted to see how they would give it to me without the bun, because I've always had it in the package. So there you have it. And it has onions in it, it has mustard in it, it has pickles in it, and they gave me some napkins, good, because sometimes I can get messy. So, and I asked for a fork and a knife because I thought that would be kind of an easier way to eat it in the car. But it's got 2 pieces of cheese on it. Now, the only concern I would probably say out loud, if I were to say, is I don't know how real this cheese is. I hope it's real cheddar, but I don't know that. So anyway, cheers, guys. So I haven't had a hamburger, wow, since I started. And I love hamburgers all over, and I love the nice deli, gourmet hamburgers too. But when I was a little girl and being raised, one of the first hamburgers I ever had was a Big Mac, and that hamburger has stayed with me because it was a real treat. I wasn't raised with a lot of money. My family didn't have a lot of money, and so there were 3 of us girls, and then my mom and dad, and so everything was really tight. So I remember the first time they took us to McDonald's, and we went through the drive-thru, and they told us to look at the menu and to order whatever we wanted. And I thought I had died and gone to heaven. I decided I was going to order the Big Mac meal. And when you're a little girl, and I don't know if the sizes of the Big Macs have changed at all, but when you're a little girl and you get this big hamburger with 3 pieces of bread and 2 bun or 2 hamburgers on it, along with fries and a big drink, you feel pretty special, especially when you don't get that all the time. So, not dwelling on McDonald's, but that's why today I went to McDonald's, because I haven't had a McDonald's burger in a while. So cheers to just having a keto hamburger, being able to stay on my plan and make it a lifestyle, and do this without really having to think about it, and having to really get down on myself because I didn't stay on keto. So, and this is really good, by the way, if you love hamburgers. I do. And it's fun to eat with you guys. I was going to eat with you last week, but then I didn't get a chance to make one of the recipes that I wanted to, so I didn't. So I'm going to just finish up here and just visit with you guys. All right, guys, so this has been absolutely amazing. For sometimes when you're just really craving a burger, I would have to say this is really fulfilled the burger need. Plus, they're not big, but they have enough fat in them to really fill you up. So I wouldn't recommend this on a daily basis, of course, absolutely not. But once in a while, to stay on the keto lifestyle, this is something that, you could do. So there you go. You just take this little lid here that they just gave me. Then there's no mess. It's easy cleanup. It's perfect. And throw this in there. And I'm so glad, you guys, it was a fast lunch, because I have a lot of things to run around and do today. I gotta go get some gas, and I've got to go. I'm all out of almond flour, and I was going to make blackberry lemon scones. Oh my gosh, with lemon icing. So I'm gonna go get some. We'll see if I can find some blackberries. That just seems to be, I don't know, that seems to be something that's fun. I'm also going to go look at the store and just, I always look to get ideas when I'm shopping, because every day there's so many people that are doing keto that, every day there's new items that come to be. And so I'm always looking. I always shop on the outer skirts, the perimeters of this store, but I do go inside the aisles, because when I find something that doesn't have any sugars in it or any flours in it, sometimes you just want to take a look, and you just want to, see if you can find something to add to your collection, of keto. So anyway, I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to go for a walk today. I have not gotten involved with yoga yet. I've been promising that, and I still am. And I'm going to start out my stretching. So I think what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to continue to walk until the end of my 30 days. And by the way, guys, on the 30th day, I'm going to measure, and I'm going to do that in front of you guys so that you can see, or I can tell you how many inches, if any, that I've lost, and kind of do that on that last day. I think that would be kind of the wonderful finale, because I'm all about the inches over, measure of weighing. So I think that that will be the bigger picture. And then from there, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like a weekly weigh-in. I think I'm going to be doing like, sitting down and weighing every Monday, or call it Motivational Monday, or, something like that. And then from there, I'll be doing uh, recipes still and tips. And I've got a lot of things planned, but I think for now, I think getting into the exercise part, I think I'm going to continue on with these videos daily for the motivational part and the cooking part, and then start in once I'm not doing these every single day. When I do them, I'll do them with exercise and some other things that are really important on the keto. So anyway, all right guys, I'm going to end this now because I'm going to head out. So this is the end of day 26. Yesterday for dinner, I told you what I had for lunch yesterday, so let me hurry and tell you that. Last night's dinner, what did I have? Oh, I made myself a pizza crust with mozzarella cheese, cream cheese, almond flour, Italian seasonings, and I think that's it. I mixed that all together. So I made just a little pizza. I put some grilled chicken on there. And there is a recipe for my garlic chicken pizza if you want to go onto my blog at ketolicious.com, and it will have that recipe there. I had a half of that, and I dipped that in a little bit of ranch dressing. And then I had a ton of water yesterday. So I feel really good about my water because I lacked it the day before. So anyway, did pretty good. I feel really good. I was feeling kind of tired yesterday, and I really didn't understand why. And then I realized I have not taken my thyroid medication in 2 days, and that just knocked me kind of down. So I did take a little rest, which you have to do that if you feel like that once in a while, because your body is, going through a lot, and it's doing a lot for you to burn this fat and to help you get to your goal. So take care of yourself, guys. I love you all, like I always tell you at the end of each one of my videos. And if you're not subscribed to me, please do. And if you haven't, click the bell up above. Make sure you do so you don't miss any of my videos. I will see you guys again tomorrow, day 27. Take care of yourself, be good to yourself, drink lots of water, and get some exercise. Move that body, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.